Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about paragraph writing, which is a very important topic in English grammar. So let's start with paragraph writing. Paragraph writing. How can we write a paragraph? So first of all, you have to understand what is paragraph. A paragraph is a short composition on a single theme. And there are some features of a good paragraph which are as follows. All the sentences in the paragraph should be related to the theme. Should be related to the theme means there is a topic on which you have to write down a paragraph. So your paragraph should be according to the topic. Suppose if I give you a topic that you have to write down a paragraph on my favorite cartoon character. So your paragraph should be according to topic, my favorite cartoon character, not any other topic. If you have write down any other topic like my favorite toys, my favorite fruits, that it will be wrong. So your paragraph should be related to the theme, and every sentence should naturally follow from the previous one and lead to the next one. That is very important. And the first sentence should introduce the theme, and the next few sentences should develop the theme, give more details in an interesting manner, and the last sentence should sum up the ideas in a clear manner. So this is the features of a good paragraph. So students, whenever you write down a paragraph, please remember these features of a good paragraph. And the one more thing is that sometimes there is a mention that you have to write down 10 lines on this topic. So whenever there is mention, then you have to write down 10 lines, 5 lines. So you have to write down only 10 lines if there is mentioned 10 lines. If you have to write down more lines, that it is not necessary that you have taken more marks. So you have to write down only that lines which have mentioned 10 lines, then you have write down 10 lines, 5 lines, that you have to write down only 5 lines. And if there is a paragraph, then you have to write down a paragraph, not mentioned lines. Is it okay? I repeat again. If there is a paragraph writing, then you can write down a paragraph. But if there is mentioned that you have to write down 10 lines or 5 lines, then you have to write down in a lining manner. Is it okay? Children, there is also another way of paragraph writing in which you have to write down a paragraph by answering the question. Means there are some questions and you have to write down a paragraph by answering the questions. Just like this. Look at the example. Here are some questions. First question is, who is your favorite sports person? Or maybe who is your favorite patriotic leader? Who is your favorite film stars? So now here the question is, who is your favorite sports person? And the question second, where was he or she born? He or she, both are there, because if your sports person is male, then you will use he, and if that is female, you will use she. So where was he or she born? The next, what is his or her parents' name? Question number 4, was he or she honored with any award? And the last is, whom did he or she get married? So there are some questions, there are 5 questions, and you have to write down a paragraph by answering the following questions. So the question number 1 is, who is your favorite sports person? So you can write down by your own words. You can write down any name of a sports person which you like, but you have to know all the necessary information about your sports person, favorite sports person. So here, look at the answers of these questions. First question is, who is your favorite sports person? The answer will be, my favorite sports person is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is a male, so we will use he. And he is an Indian famous cricketer and currently captain of Indian national team. Is it okay? Here, I'll write down about a Virat Kohli. Some special characteristics also. The next question is, where was he born? So, your answer will be, continue the paragraph. He was born in Delhi. What is his parents' name? So, you have to continue. His father's name is Prem Kohli and his mother's name is Saroj Kohli. And the next question, was he or she honored with any reward? So, you will continue. He has given many awards such as Padam Shri, Arjuna Award, etc. for his extraordinary performance. And the last question is, whom did he or she get married? So your answer will be, Virat Kohli married to famous Indian actress Anushka Sharma. So your paragraph is ready. So how can you write down a paragraph? You write down a paragraph by answering the question. So that is also a way of writing a paragraph. Is it okay? Students, here I want to clear that don't confuse about a paragraph writing or a picture composition. In a paragraph writing, there is a topic on which you have to write down a paragraph, and your paragraph should be related to the theme, should be introduce the theme. And in a picture composition, there will be a picture on which you have to write down a sentences, and your sentences should be related to the picture, should introduce the picture. Understood? Paragraph should be related to the theme, and in a picture composition, your sentences should be related to the picture. Now, the one more thing is that, as you know, your exam is on 26th September. English exam on Saturday. So, you have to read the textbook thoroughly and do practice all the textbook exercise as well as workbook exercise, and watch all the videos minutely, as well as do practice for your writing skills like comprehension, picture composition, paragraph writing, grammar part like conjunctions, prepositions, ing form, and make questions which are prescribed in your textbook as well as workbook. Is it okay? So, all the best for your exam. Thank you for watching this video.